Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, from few days we are doing the explanation of chapter 7 Introduction to PowerPoint. So we have completed the explanation of chapter 7 Introduction to PowerPoint. Today we are going to do the exercise of chapter 7 Introduction to PowerPoint. So let's start the exercise. Before starting the exercise, first we will go through the summary of the chapter. First we will go through the summary of the chapter. See here, in this a PowerPoint presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic. So this is the summary of a chapter. See here, a PowerPoint presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order. A slide acts like a page of PowerPoint presentations. Means PowerPoint presentation क्या है, वो ये क्या है, स्लाइड्स के अरेंजमेंट्स को एक सिस्टमेटिक ऑर्डर में करे ताकि उसको कलेक्शन स्लाइड क्या है, इट इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ स्लाइड्स जो कि सिस्टमेटिक ऑर्डर में वन बाय वन करके अरेंज होता है. अ स्लाइड एक्ट्स लाइक अ पेज ऑफ पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन. स्लाइड जो है पावरपॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन में एक पेज का काम करता है जिसमें हम अपना प्रेजेंटेशन देते हैं. स्लाइड पेन इज़ द मेन वर्किंग एरिया. स्लाइड पेन क्या है, सबसे मेन वर्किंग एरिया है जहाँ पे हम वेयर वी हैव टू परफॉर्म द डिफरेंट ऑपरेशंस. देन अ प्लेस होल्डर कैन होल्ड टेक्स्ट, इमेज, टेबल्स एंड अदर ऑब्जेक्ट. प्लेस होल्डर क्या है, प्लेस होल्डर एक ऐसे ये क्या है कि प्लेस होल्डर में हम किसी भी तरह का टेक्स्ट को रख सकते हैं, इमेज, टेबल या फिर कोई भी और ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हम उसमें होल्ड करके रख सकते हैं. A PowerPoint file saves with the extension .pptx. PowerPoint फाइल्स जब सेव होता है तो वो हमेशा एक एक्सटेंशन के साथ ऐड होता है, सेव होता है. दैट एक्सटेंशन जो से ऐड होता है वो है .pptx. .pptx. So this is the summary of a chapter. Now let's start the exercises. First one is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. In this we have to do the 4 questions, 5 questions. The first one is, it is a dotted rectangular box. It is a dotted rectangular box. We have 3 options: slide, placeholder and slide pen. Okay, the correct answer is B option, that is placeholder. Spelling is placeholder. Holder, place holder. Now come to the next, that is second one. It acts like a page. It acts like a page of PowerPoint presentation. Okay, option is slide, ribbon and placeholder. The correct answer is slide. The correct answer is slide. Spelling is slide. Slide. Slide acts like a page of PowerPoint presentation. Now come to the third. The first screen of PowerPoint 2016 is also known as the first screen of PowerPoint 2016 is also known as the. Option is File tab, Navigation pane and Start button. Okay, File tab, Navigation pane and Start button. So the correct answer is Start screen. The correct answer is Start screen. Spelling is START. Start screen. 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 Okay, now come to the next, that is question number 4. In question number 4, this key combination is used to open a saved presentation. This key combination is used to open a saved presentation. The option is CTRL plus M, CTRL plus N and CTRL plus O. Okay, we can also say correct answer, yes, C. The correct answer is C. Control plus O. Control plus O is the key combination used to open a safe presentation. Now come to the fifth one, that is, in which group of insert tab is the online pictures open? In which group of insert tab is the online picture options available? Option is text tool, text, illustration and images. So the correct answer is images. The correct answer is images. Images is a group in which insert tab in the online picture option is available. Spelling is IMAGES. 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 Now come to the next. That is question number exercise C. Fill in the blanks. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks. So in fill in the blanks, first one is MS PowerPoint is a part of the dash suite. MS PowerPoint is a part of the dash suite. So answer is Microsoft Office. MS PowerPoint is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. Spelling is MICROSOFT. Microsoft Office. 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 Now come to the next. It is second one. A PowerPoint presentation is a collection of dash. A PowerPoint presentation is a, I repeat again, a PowerPoint presentation is a collection of dash. The answer is slide. The answer is slides. Spelling is SLIDES. Slides. Means a PowerPoint presentation is a collection of slides. Now come to the next, that is third one. No dash button allows to write personal notes. Dash button allows to write personal notes, okay, about a slide. So answer is students, NOTES, notes. Answer is NOTES, notes. Button allows to write personal notes about a slide. After that come to the next, that is fourth one. The slide button is present. The slide button is present on the home tab. The slide button is present on the home tab. Answer is home. So spelling is HOME. Spelling is HOME. Home. See here. So the new slide button is present on the home tab. The new slide button is present on the home tab. Now after that come to the next one, that is fifth one. Dash slide layout does not contain any placeholder. Dash slide layout does not contain any placeholder. So this is what? Blank. Answer is blank. Spelling is BLANK. Blank. Blank slide layout does not contain any placeholder. So by this we have completed exercise B, fill in the blanks. Now come to the next one, that is true or false. In true or false, here first one is comment button is present on the title bar. Comment button is present on the title bar. So can you guess? Is it comment button is present on the title bar? No, it is not. Comment button is not present on the title bar. So answer is false. Answer is false. Spelling FALSE. False. Now come to the next, that is second one. Once an object is inserted in a slide, it cannot be resized. Means once an object is inserted in a slide, it cannot be resized. Is it? No. Once an object is inserted, then it can be resized. So answer is false. 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 I repeat again. Answer is false. False. Now come to the next, that is third one. A PowerPoint file saved with the extension .pptx. Is it? Yes. A PowerPoint file saved with the extension .pptx. So answer is true. 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 Then next, that is fourth one. Ctrl plus M key combination is used to add a new slide in a presentation. Is it? Yes. Ctrl plus M key combination is used to add a new slide in a presentation. So answer is true. 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 Answer is true. Now come to the next, that is fifth one. The first slide in a presentation is called the title bar. The first slide in a presentation is called the title bar. Is it? Yes. The first slide is in a presentation is called the title bar. So answer is true. 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 So by this we have completed the true or false. See here, first one is comment button is present on a title bar. False. Once an object is inserted in a slide, it cannot be resized, is also false. A PowerPoint file saves with the extension .pptx is true. Ctrl plus M key combination is used to add a new slide in a presentation is true. And the first slide in a presentation is called the title slide. It is also true. So by this we have completed true or false. Now come to the next exercise, that is question and answer. Here answer the following questions. What is PowerPoint? What is PowerPoint? So list any two uses of it. So PowerPoint is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. PowerPoint is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. It is a widely used presentation software. Okay, I repeat again, what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a part of the Microsoft Office suite and it is a widely used presentation software. See here, first one, to convey an idea to a large group, used in education, business and entertainment sectors are its uses. These are the two uses of PowerPoint. These are the uses of PowerPoint. Which one? To convey an idea to a large group, and second one is used in education, business and entertainment sectors are its uses. Now to the second question, that is what is the difference between presentation and a slide? What is the difference between a presentation and a slide? So first see a presentation. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order. What is a presentation? A presentation is a collection of slides which is arranged in a systematic order. And a slide act like a page of PowerPoint presentation. And a slide act as a page of PowerPoint presentation. I repeat again, a presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order and a slide acts like a page of PowerPoint presentation. So this is the differences between a presentation and a slide. Now come to the next one, that is question number 3. Can you insert objects in a slide? Can you insert objects in a slide? Name any two such objects. Name any two such objects. So answer is yes. Yes, we can insert objects in a slide. What the question is asking, can you insert objects in a slides? Yes, we can insert objects in a slides. And can name many to such options. So objects like pictures, word art and shapes. Objects like pictures, word art and shapes are to be inserted. Insert objects in a are the objects which can be inserted in a slide. I repeat again, yes, we can insert objects in a slide, like objects like pictures, word art and shapes. So by this we have completed the exercise explanation A, B, C and D. Okay, now come to the next one, that is the ABA activity. Here we will do it, the ABA activities. See, no, we have a question number 4 also, that we will go through question number 4. What do you understand by a slide layout? What do you understand by a slide layout? So, name any two slide layouts. Answer is, a slide layout determines the arrangement of various objects on a slide. There are total 9 slide layouts available in PowerPoint 2016. I repeat again, what do you understand by a slide layout? A slide layout determines the arrangement of various objects on a slide. There are total 9 slide layouts available in PowerPoint 2016. Now next is, name any two slide layouts. The first here, title slides, title only. I give you more than 2, that is blank title and contents are the name of the slide layouts. These are the slide layouts. Now go. By this come to the next, that is question number 5. How is closing a presentation different from exiting PowerPoint? Means we have to differentiate between the closing presentation and in exiting PowerPoint. So let's start answer. Closing a presentation means closes only the current presentation. Closing a presentation means closes only the current presentation. Unlike existing PowerPoint means closing the PowerPoint application. I repeat again, closing a presentation closes only the current presentation, and exiting PowerPoint closing the PowerPoint application. So this is the differences between the closing a presentation and exiting PowerPoint. So by this we have completed whole exercises A, B, C, D. Now come to the next, that is ABA zone activity. We will do our activity also. See here. Label the marked components of MS PowerPoint. Label the marked components of MS PowerPoint. Indents here, some blank spaces are given here. We have to guess it and write the name of that place, what is named as. So let's start. The first one is, can you guess it is what? Yes, it is a title bar. It is a title bar. Can you guess where the title bar is given? No. Let's start. The red strips are given here. It is a title bar. So we will mark it one by one. See here. The first one is. Can you guess this one? Yes, it is Quick Access Toolbar. It is what? Quick Access Toolbar. Spelling is QUICK, Quick, ACCESS, Toolbar. So Quick Access Toolbar. Now come to the next one. Next one, this is Slide Pane. This is what? Slide Pane. SLIDE, slide, PANE, pane, slide pane. Next, this is what? This is placeholder. PLACE, place, HOLDER, placeholder. This is the placeholder. I repeat again. PLACEHOLDER, placeholder. So now we will go down here also some boxes are here. We have to tell the answer. See, this is a slide navigation pen. This is the slide navigation pen. SLIDE, slide. NAVIGATION, navigation. PANE, pen, slide navigation pen. And last one is see, it is view button. It is what? View button. VIEW, view. BUTTON, button, view button. So by this we have completed the explanation of chapter 7, introduction to PowerPoint. So students, please go through on it. Don't waste your time in playing games and all. Now your schools are going to be reopened within few days. So please complete your books and copies as it is possible. And whenever the school will get reopened, you have to submit your books and copies to me for the corrections. Bye. We will meet in the next video with the next chapter.